Not sure if you guys can make this out. There's a muley buck off there about 80 yards. He's got me pinned, staring right at me. I was hoping to scoot up into the same spot I was in last week to try and catch a whitetail buck walking through, but when you know my luck, I just run into another muley. Okay guys, here it is. I think it's November 10th. It's 3 years to the day when I shot my last decent buck in this spot. So I'm back out here. I'm going to try it again. See if I can't manage to catch one walking through. I already heard some noise behind me on the property next door. Private property though, so. And I ran into a nice little muley buck on the way in, walking to my spot. He was maybe 2.5 years old at the oldest. Pretty decent little buck. If I had a tag, I would have shot him no problem. But this year again, no muley buck, no muley doe. So I'll check back in, let you guys know how things are going in a bit. Right now, it's pretty much prime time for the morning movement. Got a little buddy there behind me, a little rough grouse in the tree on the private property. Keeps flapping around. Should be able to see him there right in the center of the camera. My buddy's father-in-law is out driving around on his quad now. He's got bum legs, so he's out trying to get set up. Maybe the noise will get something pushing my way. Couple more little buddies flying around now. I'm not exactly sure what kind of bird this is, but they're always fairly entertaining watching them try to find little bugs to eat. I just heard a gunshot come from the other side of this property. I think the only people out here today are me, my buddy, and his father-in-law. So my guess is that he must have just got something. I texted him now to see what he got, but I haven't heard back from him yet. So it could be nothing, maybe just a coyote, I don't know. Or maybe he missed. Might not have even been him. There could be other people hunting this property. When we walked in this morning, we were the only truck parked outside the gate, though. Hopefully he got something. I just had a cow moose with 2 calves come running in behind me on the neighboring property. I let out a few grunts. I'm going to see if I can get him to come in just to get some footage. They haven't really ran off yet. They're back in behind the trees. It's snowing like crazy right now. Coming down really good. Haven't seen anything in this area, but my buddy did manage to get his muley buck. I think it was the same deer that I saw earlier this morning. So that's pretty awesome. Hopefully this lets up soon and some deer start moving around. It's about 20 after 9. The snow has slowed down a little bit here. I'm on the move trying to stir something up. While I was walking down the one fence line, I busted something up and it ran off towards the west of me. I don't have a clue what it was, but the bush was so thick I wasn't going to try and follow. I'm seeing lots of tracks that look like they were probably from last night. Maybe even some from today that got a little bit of snow covered on them from that last big dump we had. But I'll let you know what's going on later on. You can see that the deer tracks are pretty heavy in this area. There's a lot running through on the other side of the fence. That other side of that fence is still this part of this same property. It's just fenced off on both sides because they have cattle in here during the summer months. Definitely some deer in this area. Just came across a little rub here. There's also a scrape line that I'm following. I bumped a couple whitetails in the bush on the walk down this trail. I'm not too sure whether they were bucks, whether there was a buck or a doe in there, but there was 2 tails I saw booking it through the bush. Not sure get ready here. My buddy's gonna do a little deer drive, try and push out this big buck that we just saw run into this one bush. Hopefully we get a chance. It's pretty thick. I don't know if I'll have enough time to shoot, but I really hope I get at least an opportunity. Another little buddy.
This is kind of weird. Found some grouse tracks. Blood right next to them. A bit more blood that way next to fresh deer track. Another spot of blood right there. And that's weird. Here's a muley buck that my buddy Russ got.
What's that?
I'm just talking to the camera.
Oh.
Not a bad looking deer. Another view of the little muley my buddy got today. Nice 4x4 with brow tines. We go get them all skinned out.
Well, that's a wrap on this day. No deer for myself. My buddy got his muley buck, and that was it. We saw a bunch of whitetails, saw 4 moose, saw a bunch of grouse. I actually took a shot at one of the grouse, but I missed. And just on our way out now. Hope you guys enjoy.